Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2432 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's secondary air injection system, specifically the airflow pressure sensor. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, affect cold start performance, and prevent your vehicle from passing an emissions inspection. What does P2432 mean? P2432 stands for Secondary Air Injection System Airflow Pressure Sensor Circuit Low. Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the voltage signal from the secondary air injection airflow pressure sensor on bank 1 is lower than the normal operating range. The secondary air injection system helps reduce harmful emissions by pumping fresh air into the exhaust system during a cold engine start. The airflow or pressure sensor monitors the amount of air being delivered by the secondary air pump. The ECU uses this information to verify that the system is operating correctly. If the sensor sends a low-voltage signal, the ECU cannot accurately monitor the system and stores the P2432 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2432, you may notice: check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, higher exhaust emissions, rough idle during cold starts, poor cold start performance, reduced fuel economy, additional secondary air injection system trouble codes, and in some cases, the secondary air pump may fail to operate correctly. Most vehicles will continue to drive normally once the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The secondary air injection airflow or pressure sensor is usually mounted near the secondary air pump or attached to the air injection pipe leading to the exhaust manifold. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. Because it is installed in the engine compartment, it can be exposed to heat, moisture, and vibration over time. The most common causes of P2432 include: faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor, short to ground in the sensor signal circuit, damaged wiring harness, broken or melted wires, loose or corroded electrical connectors, faulty secondary air pump, blocked air injection hoses, or ECU problems. In rare cases, a damaged sensor or shorted wiring is one of the most common reasons for this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional secondary air injection system trouble codes. Inspect the sensor wiring for damaged insulation, broken wires, or corrosion. Check the electrical connector for loose terminals or moisture. Use a digital multimeter to verify the 5-volt reference, ground, and signal voltage. Monitor live sensor data using a professional obd2 scanner. Activate the secondary air pump and verify that the sensor responds correctly. How to fix P2432: repair damaged wiring, repair any short to ground condition, clean or replace corroded connectors, replace the faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor, repair blocked or damaged air hoses, replace the secondary air pump if necessary, clear the code, and perform a cold start road test while monitoring live sensor readings. Final result: fixing P2432 will restore accurate secondary air injection system monitoring, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve cold start performance, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light off. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.